Are you ready to explore the captivating city of Paris without breaking the bank? One of Europe's most iconic destinations, where you can indulge in a full day of adventure for just $20. Imagine savoring a warm, freshly made baguette sandwich for just $4 from a local bakery near the Eiffel Tower, with mouth-watering fillings to choose from. Craving something sweet? Swing by a nearby crepe stand and enjoy a classic butter and sugar crepe for only $3. And don't forget to stop at Boulangerie Poilâne in the 6th arrondissement, where a buttery croissant or rich pain au chocolat can be yours for just $2. Traveling around the city on the metro or buses for as little as $2 per trip, making it an incredibly affordable way to explore all the major attractions and hidden gems. Many attractions in Paris are free. Visit iconic sites like Notre-Dame Cathedral, Montmartre, and the Eiffel Tower from the ground. Some museums offer free entry on the first Sunday of the month, including the Louvre and the Musée d'Orsay. Looking for a way to save money on hotels in Paris? Try couchsurfing.com, a hospitality exchange service where you can stay with locals for free. Sounds perfect, right? Let's dive into the 10 incredible attractions in Paris. And hang tight because the attraction at the end is worth the wait. Number 1, the Eiffel Tower. Step into a postcard as you gaze upon the magnificent Eiffel Tower. Imagine climbing up to the viewing platforms and witnessing breathtaking panoramic views of Paris. The expansive Champs-Élysées park below is perfect for a leisurely picnic or relaxation, offering a peaceful retreat with lush greenery and picturesque views right in the heart of Paris. Visit at night to see the tower sparkle with lights, a magical experience you won't forget. Don't forget to take a Seine river cruise for an up-close view of this iconic landmark. Discover the surrounding Trocadero Gardens, perfect for a leisurely stroll and photo opportunities. Admire the exquisite architecture of Palais de Chaillot, offering a stunning backdrop to the Eiffel Tower. Explore the nearby Musée de l'Homme for a deep dive into human history and culture. Check out the bustling street markets like Marché Saxe-Breteuil for a taste of local life. Be captivated by the stunning views from the Montparnasse Tower, an architectural masterpiece that offers a different perspective of the Eiffel Tower. Number 2, Montmartre. Art lovers, get ready for a treat. Montmartre is a haven of artistic inspiration and charm. Imagine wandering through narrow, winding streets, discovering hidden art studios, and enjoying live street performances. Watch artists at work in Place du Tertre, turning every corner into a living canvas. Explore the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica for a glimpse of stunning architecture and panoramic city views. It's the perfect escape for all art enthusiasts out there. And now let's lighten the mood with a quick laugh. Ready? Why does the husband love visiting Parisian restaurants so much? Because he can't resist the perfect French baguettes. And his wife can't help but say, if only he was as excited about my cooking as he is about that bread. If you enjoyed that joke and are enjoying the video so far, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep the fun and travel tips coming. Okay, dear friends, let's continue with our top attractions list. Number 3, Notre-Dame Cathedral. Prepare to be amazed by Notre-Dame Cathedral, a true Gothic masterpiece. The opulent interiors and intricate carvings will transport you to a world of wonder and history. Explore the stunning stained glass windows, each more magnificent than the last. Stroll through the tranquil gardens, a perfect spot for photos and leisurely walks. This Parisian gem is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates art and history. Number 4, Luxembourg Gardens. Ready for some tranquil charm? Luxembourg Gardens is Paris's premier relaxation spot, where history meets nature. Picture yourself lounging by the fountains, pretending you're royalty escaping the hustle and bustle. The gardens are lively with flowers and sculptures, perfect for grabbing a peaceful moment. Give the pond a try for sailing mini boats, or simply relax and lose yourself in a captivating book. It's the ultimate spot for some much-needed relaxation and tranquility. And now let's step aside and dive into some travel tips. Knowing what Parisians like and don't like can really enhance your interactions and experiences in Paris. Parisians have a deep passion for football, and striking up a conversation about their beloved team, Paris Saint-Germain, can greatly enhance your acceptance among the locals. Parisians enjoy a good drink, especially their local wines and the traditional café culture, which are beloved staples of their vibrant social scene. In addition to liking drinking wine, Parisians enjoy relaxing in their charming cafés, where people watch is a favorite pastime. Paris is a global fashion capital, and Parisians take pride in their stylish attire and staying up to date with fashion trends. Parisians generally dislike excessive work hours, valuing a healthy work-life balance and cherishing time with loved ones and for personal relaxation. Gender equality is important in Paris, and women are highly respected in both personal and professional settings. Friendships are highly valued, but Parisians prefer having a few close friends over large social circles, cherishing deep and meaningful connections. Understanding these preferences will help you connect better with the locals and make your visit even more enjoyable. All right, folks, let's keep the adventure going with the next attraction on our list. Number 5, the Louvre Museum. Get ready to be enchanted by the Louvre Museum, a historic site with a blend of art and cultural heritage. Imagine yourself strolling through vast galleries, each one filled with historic artworks. Marvel at the iconic Mona Lisa, a highlight of the museum's collection. Immerse yourself in the rich history and beauty that surrounds you at every turn. The museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Paris's history, traditions, and legends. Number 6, Palace of Versailles. Welcome to the Palace of Versailles, a fortress where time seems to stand still. Explore the charming gardens, historic halls, and the opulent Hall of Mirrors. Versailles' unique ambience and picturesque setting make it an all-time favorite among visitors, drawing them in with its captivating charm and scenic beauty. Don't forget to visit the Trianon Estate, an intriguing network of smaller palaces and gardens. It's a destination that offers both relaxation and adventure. Number 7, Musée d'Orsay. Step back in time at the Musée d'Orsay, a museum that has stood the test of centuries. Imagine exploring ancient towers, regal rooms, and the picturesque column grounds. The nearby Seine River adds to the charm, with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings. It's a place where the past comes alive in the most enchanting way, captivating visitors with its rich history and timeless charm, and leaving them with unforgettable memories of a bygone era. Number 8, Sainte-Chapelle. Journey to Sainte-Chapelle, one of the most important Gothic sites in Paris. Picture yourself standing in awe of the magnificent stained glass windows and serene surroundings. The chapel attracts art lovers and visitors from all over the world, especially during major art festivals. It's a place of reflection and cultural beauty. Number 9, Champs-Élysées. Discover the enchanting Champs-Élysées, renowned for its stunning architecture and as a world-famous boulevard. Wander through the gardens and marvel at the beautifully preserved Arc de Triomphe. Visit the impressive Grand Palais, where you can enjoy exhibitions and art shows. Explore the luxury shops and theaters, offering fascinating exhibits on fashion and culture. Don't miss the Petit Palais, an intriguing and picturesque building with a noticeable charm that adds to the boulevard's unique beauty. And now, for the grand finale, let's reveal the surprise attraction. Number 10, Underground Paris Tour. An underground Paris tour offers a thrilling journey beneath the city's bustling streets, revealing hidden layers of its rich history. You'll explore ancient crypts, forgotten tunnels, and secret passageways that date back centuries, providing a unique perspective on Paris's past. Knowledgeable guides share fascinating stories and eerie legends, making the experience both educational and exciting. The tour often includes visits to lesser-known sites, such as medieval cellars and World War II bunkers, adding an element of adventure. Whether you're a history buff or just looking for an unusual experience, the Underground Paris Tour is sure to captivate and intrigue. And now, for our tasty bonus attraction, let's dive into French cuisine. Picture yourself savoring a hearty bowl of coq au vin, traditional chicken and red wine sauce. Enjoy a serving of bœuf bourguignon, known for its rich flavors, a flavorful dish made with beef and vegetables. Relish the comforting flavors of ratatouille, a vegetable medley, perfect for a savory snack and a beloved part of French cuisine. During the holiday season, especially Christmas, you'll find bûche de Noël, a sweet rolled cake. It's a must-try for those seeking authentic French flavors. Imagine a cold winter evening with a hearty bowl of French onion soup, a traditional soup that warms the soul. For a burst of flavor, try croquet monsieur, a grilled ham and cheese sandwich often enjoyed with bechamel sauce. Fancy some marinated sausages? Saucisson is a popular dish featuring cured sausages, perfect for adventurous eaters looking to try something new. Savor the unique taste of camembert, marinated cheese known for its rich flavor and cultural significance. Comfort food alert. Tarte tatin is a sweet pastry, often enjoyed with caramelized apples, making it a delightful treat for any occasion. And now let's talk beverages. French wine, especially Bordeaux, is a true taste of French culture. For a truly authentic experience, dig into some andouillette, a traditional sausage made with pork. And for dessert, treat yourself to a slice of tarte aux pommes, a French apple tart with a rich and sweet flavor. French cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and traditions that will leave your taste buds dancing. And there you have it, folks. So pack your bags and start planning your Parisian adventure today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels, dear friends.